All right, so today we're going to be testing out our new body glove GoPro diving mask. We're going to check out the GoPro Hero 10 versus the DragonTouch Vista 5 and see what takes the better video. This one's about $600 and this one is $35, both on Amazon. We're also going to check out the waterproof case with an iPhone 10 that we have inside of here right now. And so this is our project for today. It's going to be fun, and you guys are going to get to see what happens. One of the main differences is that this GoPro, you don't have a case for it. It's supposed to be waterproof just the way it is. But with the Vista 5, we have to use this case. So we're just going to go ahead and put it in there, just like that. Close it. And hopefully this case will be waterproof, and that's how we're going to use it. So these two are going to go head to head in a battle royale to see if you want to buy a $35 camera or a $600 camera. And of course we're going to try this, and we're going to try it on top of here. All right, here we go. All right, first we're going to hook the GoPro on and try it out. Here's me with the GoPro on my forehead. And now we're going to look at the video of the GoPro. This is a video of me videotaping with my iPhone, and you can see the colors are very vivid and it's very smooth. You're also going to notice that the microphone on the GoPro is fantastic. It really picks up everything. Next, we're going to check out the $35 DragonTouch Vista 5, and there it is on my head in its case. You have a case with it. And as you can see, the colors aren't as vivid or clear, and you get a little bit of droplets on your lens, so it kind of screws up your visuals sometimes when you come out of the water. Next are two exact same shots shot simultaneously. One's the GoPro, the first one, nice and smooth, colors are good. The next is the DragonTouch Vista 5. The color's not as deep, and it's a little more shaky, but not bad for 35 bucks, I gotta say. The $600 GoPro Hero 10 Black is far superior to the DragonTouch Vista 5 and actually the iPhone, to tell you the truth. It's got a better microphone and it's got much better video. But up to you guys, depending on your pocketbook, you decide which you're going to purchase.